I am Star Somewhere Student International Business Students. The goal of this interview is to enable me and my teammates to gather data for digital economy portfolio 2. Our meeting will be around an hour and we will discuss and help you to develop a consumer persona. For your information, the interview is about interviewing existing customer that consume Keen Yuan coffee. Mr. Abbott, is it okay with you? I would like to record our session to help ensure accuracy. Recording will help us during transcript and it will be posted on YouTube under Unlisted just to show our lecture as a reference. So may I have your approval to record it now?
Yeah, sure, no problem.
All right, so do you have any objection if I mention your name at any point if I need it in my assignment?
No.
All right, thank you. So first of all, could you introduce yourself?
Hi, I am Edward. I am currently 21 years old. And yeah, what else is there to know? Yeah, I'm an existing customer of the coffee Keen Yuan. Yeah.
All right, so let's move on to the interview question. I will pass it to Amanda to continue with the interview question.
Hi, Mr. Edward. So
Hi.
I would like to ask regarding apps like when you're ordering Keen Yuan's coffee. Like first and foremost, do you enjoy buying coffee via official application or online?
Official application or online? That means, are you trying to say the official app or their website? Is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah.
For now, I'll feel yes, it's more convenient if I do order it online because I do not need to walk to the physical store. As you guys know, if you want to walk to campus to the physical store, it's a bit far, right? The coffee shop. Yeah, so I would enjoy yes if I order online.
All right, sure. So based on the answer above, so I would like to say that you didn't have any unpleasant purchase experience to our online apps, right?
Yeah, so far no.
All right.
No unpleasant what? Yeah.
Yeah. So I would like to ask, like, would you mind if you receive lukewarm coffee when you order hot coffee?
I personally do not mind as long as I get the coffee which I ordered. I'll be happy. Some people order coffee, right? They don't even get the coffee. So
all right.
getting lukewarm instead of hot, right? Yeah, it's okay with me. It's fine.
All right, sure. So what is your main concern when you're making an online purchase?
My main concern is that
yeah.
when I purchase it online, right, it's either the rider takes it away or it doesn't come to me or someone else takes it. Yeah, because I need my daily dose of coffee. Yeah.
Yeah. So now I will ask my question to Adam to continue it.
Hi, Edward. Hi, Mr. Edward. Have you so now we're talking about e-menu. Have you experienced any scanning any e-menu at any restaurant or cafe before? If yes, do you find anything like particular difficult to operate or not user friendly?
I feel, to be honest, e-menus, you're talking about those type of those type of QR codes on the tables, right? Where the menu is online, right? I feel, to be honest, the most inconvenient thing is the location of the place, because a lot of the places, right, when you go there and they don't provide you with a physical menu, you have to scan using your phone. The worst thing that will happen is if you do not have line at all and it takes forever to load. Like the moment I wait for the e-menu to load, right, I actually already can order physically with the waiter lah. So I feel e-menu, the hardest and the most unpleasant experience is if, let's say, the line there is not good and I cannot even order, and it makes me feel very inconvenient lah. Yeah.
Okay. So based on your past experience, do the actual food or drink that you have received match the image illustrated from the e-menu?
To be honest, many places which I go, not all of them. I can say 90% of them, when the food comes to you, right, is not the same as the image at all. Yeah.
Okay. So if Hunan physical shop practice e-menu QR code ordering system, will you prefer like scan to order or do you prefer order from the cashier, from your opinion?
Right now, because Keen Yuan is not that big of an outlet yet, right? It still feels a bit comfortable. And to be honest, I wouldn't go and order e-menu. I would rather go and order directly to the staff there, because I don't know whether you guys been there before, but the staff there is amazing. They are super friendly. So I would rather talk with them. For now, I'd rather talk with them, order with them, than order through the e-menu. Yeah.
Okay. So do you believe that ordering through an e-menu might reduce the awkwardness when you're unsure about what to order?
That depends on people, actually, whether they are more introverted or not. Yes, I think they might be awkward if, let's say, there's a long line behind them and they're standing there like, what to order. But for me, I feel it won't be awkward, because there's a simple solution. Actually, you can just ask the counter person or the person in charge working, like, what are their recommendations. Or if we have seen the Keen Yuan menu, right, they already have like the recommendations there. They are best sellers. So for me personally, I wouldn't feel awkward lah. I wouldn't feel it's awkward. Yeah.
Okay, so do you think that the design or info like nutrition, fat, like sugar level or category of the e-menu are crucial, like for as a customer, for you like to ordering, do you like look into detail or you just ordering the drink?
Yeah, to be honest, I feel yes, it should be there. It should be there. All the nutrition should be there. That's why other bigger F&B companies, right, they also put it. It's not just for the customers, for us to look at the nutrition value, but also to protect themselves, the business. For me, like coffee, let's say they are selling Americanos, right? Americanos, normally a lot of those bodybuilders or people who go to the gym will order, right? So I feel, yes, if you were to attract more customers and also make it more competitive with others, right, you guys should put the nutrition value. Yeah.
Right, thank you, Mr. Edward. Now I'll pass to Jay to talk about the self-serving QR machine.
Okay.
All right, thank you, Adam. So hello, Mr. Edward. So the first question is regarding, do you prefer like traditional service or self-serving machine for ordering purposes, like maybe McDonald's? Like McDonald's, right? They are having those like self-serving machine. Do you prefer that, or you prefer like those traditional service like you order at the counter?
I feel it depends on how big the venue is and how big the location. Let's say it's a really small place, I wouldn't mind just going to order straight. But let's say if it's at a very, very big venue where there's a lot of customers waiting, right? Let's say 50 of them, 40 of them, I would rather just order from a kiosk. Yeah.
All right. So let's say if the company install a self-service kiosk machine, is that convenient for you when ordering?
Depends whether, again, I'm rushing in time or I'm rushing to a place or not. If I have time, why not just go and socialize, talk with the people in charge while I order my coffee, right? Whereas if I'm rushing, just order straight from the kiosk, I can just cut all the small talk and just get my coffee ASAP. Yeah.
All right. So do you feel like unsafe when a self-service kiosk collects your personal information, such as your name or like contact number, etc.?
Name, contact number, I'll still be okay lah. One thing which I don't really like about companies is if they take my email, right, and they start to spam my mail about promotions. Yeah. But other than that, I feel yes lah, it's safe lah, because it's just my name and my phone number. If it's IC, then no lah. Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
So have you ever had a negative experience while ordering food or beverage from a self-service kiosk?
Due to their malfunction, yes. I once ordered at McDonald's using their kiosk, right? I ordered and then something went wrong with the system. They charged my card, but the order didn't go in. Yeah.
Okay.
That was a bad experience.
Yeah, exactly, because you get the wrong stuff, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So do you find it challenging to order via a kiosk instead of just ordering at a counter?
Depends on how clear the program is lah. If let's say all the functions right are all there, like you can order whether hot or cold, you can order whether with milk, without milk, large or what. If all the basic functions or fundamentals and the interface is actually quite easy to use, that I wouldn't find any hassle lah. As long as it's not very laggy or what, okay. I wouldn't
Okay.
mind.
So to add on from that, I believe that you think if the machine can help you to do like customizations for your drinks, it'll be very helpful, right, for a kiosk.
Yeah. If they can allow many customizations, right? If let's say I can customize my own drink, it'll be easy also. Because we do know lah, sometimes if we order through the people working there, right, there might be human error. Maybe they forget to write a small detail, or like I think the most common thing that we all face is when we go to, let's say, a normal Starbucks and we order a drink and customize it there, right? We will tell them no whipped cream, but then it still comes with whipped cream. Yeah, but if you order through the kiosk, right, everything will be printed out very clearly there. So there will be no human error there, I feel.
All right, so to conclude this part, I believe that you think kiosk is very convenient and secure in some sense because it will avoid like human error and all the information that they are collecting, just like your name and phone number. So it's still fine for you, am I right?
Yeah, no problem, yeah.
All right, so now I'll pass it to Jeff.
Okay, thank you, Jay. Hi, Mr. Edward. Okay,
Hi.
moving on. Do you prefer to use an internet search engine like Google to search something, or do you prefer to travel to physical store to check out and purchase an item?
For me, it always depends. If let's say if I haven't been to the physical store yet, right, I do not know what I'm purchasing or what it looks like. So Google, sometimes the pictures may be inaccurate because like all of you all know, right, for illustration purposes only, right? So for my first time or the second time, I would prefer to go to the store, look at the environment, check out their products that they have. Other than that, once I know like the environment there, I will just go online. Yeah.
I see. So is the coffee you purchased from King Nguyen is satisfactory?
Oh, it's way above satisfactory. It's super good. One of the best Vietnamese coffee that I've had. Yeah.
I see. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, next, when ordering a coffee, what types of e-payment methods do you prefer? Like GrabPay, Touch and Go, Apple Pay, or maybe to you?
I think the most convenient now would be Touch and Go. It's the easiest, fastest reload, fastest pay. You want to go to your bank, you need to still unlock with so many passwords here and there. Yeah, Touch and Go would be the best.
Thank you. All right, say if King Nguyen adopted both the e-menu system and self-service kiosk, which ordering method do you prefer more?
Still, I'll go for the kiosk because you do not need Wi-Fi to go and look at their e-menu. Phones are very unpredictable, and our Malaysia lines are, I can say sometimes are not that reliable. So imagine you stand in line for 30 minutes just to load the menu, or rather the kiosk. Yeah.
All right. Lastly, thank you. Do you have any recommendation or complaints for King Nguyen in general?
Not really. Everything is actually very good there. The environment there is really cozy. It really makes you feel like you're in a small space, and then the stuff there makes you feel like you're at home. Yeah, someone is making coffee for you. And I don't know whether you guys have seen this before, but how the staff like treats you, right? Whenever they look at you, or the first time they greet you, it wouldn't be just hi. What can I get for you today? You bet. Hi, darling. Yes, what do you want? Yeah, the environment there makes you feel really like home. So do I have anything to complain about? To be honest, no. Everything is fine there. Everything is fine there. Yeah.
I see. I think that's all from my side. So thank you for your useful insights and have a nice day.
Okay, thank you. Bye guys. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.